I got Steve Jobs here, and I'm showing you the new update in Monkey Blocks and the clothing. Starting. What do you want to check out first? Because I know you haven't checked it out. I only bought the first. It's cosmetics or map. Cosmetics or map. Okay.
Map now.
Okay.
Ooh, pickaxe. I like that.
Nah, that's electric. Is Steve's yearning for the mines. I had to put that in, Drew. Had to put that in.
Had to.
Brilliant.
Alright, let's check out this update.
Ta-da!
Could be good, this could not be good.
Ta-da!
And something's coming over there. Alright, let's check out Monkey Blocks.
I like Monkey Blocks. It's over there.
Whoa!
The new thing's over there.
Share my blocks? What is share my blocks?
Oh, it's a new review. Like, give me! I don't want that. I don't want the. You know what? I kind of want it because I can run faster. True. Here's share my blocks.
What is share my blocks?
I made it. I made that.
You made this?
Yeah. What? What about it?
How?
Because I have a 1 million brain. It's cool. It's cool, right?
Yeah.
My favorite thing has to be this. Like my favorite structure has to be like this. Because there's a king seat, a fireplace. It's like nice and cool.
Let me check it out.
But you can't sit down because the king of the map has to sit.
Dang it, bro. I ain't no king of the map, so. How long did it take you to freaking build this?
And like an hour.
An hour?
Yeah, hour and
like.
You
built all of this?
Yeah.
That's insane.
For real.
But it's awesome though.
That home. No.
That is stuff insane. This stuff. This good. I think you yearned for the mines as a child, bro. Not gonna lie, this is good though.
Wait, come here. Look, it's me.
Yeah, I guess. Alright, can I go check out the cosmetics now?
Oh yeah. Do you like what I made?
Yeah, it's awesome. Freaking, it looked like it took a long time.
Yeah, like an hour.
And it probably did. But hard work pays off, bruh.
For real. Share my blocks is cool.
And here's a monkey block. I made this stuff.
Yeah, you made that. How long did it take you for this?
It took me like 20 minutes. Like, I got limited time.
That bounty thing's pretty hard. Nah. Bounty.
Yeah.
Especially when you're big.
I'm gonna go tiny real quick.
Okay.
I am tiny. He is big. Well,
I destroy the forest. I am Godzilla. I am Godzilla.
Oh, shoot.
I'm Godzilla. I'm Godzilla.
I can escape. I can't escape. Oh. I need a branch before it's too late. Don't. Man. Oh, he didn't destroy the slide yet.
Up.
No. What are you doing? No.
You sound so funny when you're little.
Oh, please. Don't destroy. What the heck is going on? I need to get out of here.
You sound so funny when you're little.
Oh, the slide's still not broken, though. I can still climb up the ladder. I can still climb up the ladder though. You can't take down the ladder. I bet you won't. Oh no! Decoration. Well, at least it didn't take down it. Oh, I guess I did. Dang it! Ah!
The final bounce.
I need to run.
Wait, and destroying shelter. Shelter.
Ah!
Oh shoot.
Nah, this forest got destroyed by me.
Yo, what'd you do, bro?
I don't know.
I can't even branch.
I'm trying to make a joke out of it. I make a disaster. Yo, you ever think about it? It's raining.
It ain't a raining, bro.
Yes, it is. Look.
Alright, let's go check out.
No, look. Why do I have an umbrella though?
Cause you're allergic to the sun.
What do you mean? Nobody's allergic to the sun.
I mean, you have an umbrella and there's a light. Maybe you're allergic to the light, right?
What do you mean?
Alright, let's check out these new cosmetics.
Nah, look. If I go on the light, look what happened.
Oh shoot. He's dying. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got a fox.
Yeah, the fox is like a mod. It's supposed to be like a model of the old
Got a flag.
cat update.
A toothpick. I can afford this toothpick. I just don't want it.
Yeah,
I could afford that too.
I can afford
want
nothing
that.
in the shop.
I'm gonna get that. I'm not.
Nah, I have to put
cannot
the yearning in the
afford all of
mines in.
these
I have to put the yearning in the mines in my cart.
I have to put the yearning in the mine and the pickaxe.
Oh, this is what it does. Look at that! Look at that!
Hey, I mean no harm, bro.
Okay.
Iron for the mines.
As a child, I have been yearning for the.
I'm gonna get this butter knife.
That's not a butter knife!
Yes, it is, bro. It's a butterfly knife.
It's not. Yeah, it's a butterfly knife. It's not a butter knife. There you come back here, bro. Bro, you really think I'm allergic to the sunlight? Bro, you want me to do it again? Okay, that's better. That's better. You stupid balloon. Is both of you dead? What about CPR? But you really think I'm gonna die in the sunlight? Bro, watch this.
Yeah, maybe. Alright, let me yearn for the mines for you.
You ready?
I couldn't.
Are you ready for me to take off my umbrella?
Well, there's no sun. Toilet. Try to find me, buddy. You can't find me.
I can find your yacht. I can sniff it. Boom! I was just acting like I was sniffing and I did it.
Boo. Yo, what is that?
It's a beehive. You want to check it out with me?
Sure.
And I heard you can maybe get some yacht from it.
Some what from it?
Yacht.
What are you saying, bro?
Sus. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful.
Oh.
The bees! The bees! Well, I'm not allergic to the sunlight. Are you ready?
Oh,
Are you ready?
shoot.
Are you ready?
I'm sorry.
What?
Oh.
Oh no! No!
No way, bro.
Roar.
I guess they didn't like you. I think they liked me since I'm the one that upset the beehive.
How about? Wait, let's go. I heard there was a gill, like the other Doug in here. I heard the other Doug was here. Oh,
Don't look at me.
beehive!
Oh shoot! Ah! Yo, Frank. Oh. Owie!
They actually want to take
Man,
you
I
on their
got so many
thing.
stings. Well, that was a cool update. Oh. What? Can you actually suck ghosts with that? Imagine if you could suck ghosts with that.